Okay, we'll continue with the absorption of the roots. As far as the absorption of the roots, that is characteristics of the roots for the absorption of the water is concerned. The characteristics of the root, there are basically three characters which makes the root good absorbent. Like for example, the root has got a very large surface area. To tell you, one of the scientists, what did he do was he took a bean seed and planted it in a small pot. After planting it in a small pot, that is, what did he do? He took a small flower pot, he took a bean seed which looked something like this, and he planted it here. After planting it here, okay, what did he do was he kept that bean seed for about 2 weeks. In the 2 weeks time, what happened was that bean seed germinated and it became a small sapling. Then he carefully took out the bean seed without destroying its roots, and started measuring each root. What did he do? He took out the bean seed from the pot and he started measuring each root. And do you know, to your surprise, the length of the entire root came to about 6 kilometers in just a matter of 2 weeks. Which means to say, one small sapling has got immense amount of roots in them, which creates a large surface area for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Next is obviously the concentrated cell sap. Now, in the later part of this chapter, we are going to study about osmosis and diffusion as well. In there, you will understand how molecules move from a region of lower concentration through to a region of higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Now, inside the root, if this is a root and the cell concentration is higher, water tends to move from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration, and this is known as osmosis through a semi-permeable membrane. And because of that, the concentrated cell sap, water moves inside the roots. And the next one, obviously, as the walls of this root hair is concerned, they are very, very thin. They are very thin. Because of its thin nature, it easily allows the water from the adjoining cells or from the adjoining soil to go inside the root, hair. Okay, so that was the characteristics of the root for absorption of water. Okay.